Ronky is a nice little pig. He lives on a farm. It's not very big. His troubles begin when asleep at night, something happens which doesn't seem right. He snores really loud and grunts a bit too. No one can sleep. What shall they do? Everyone's unhappy. Mrs. Cow starts to weep. I'm losing my milk 'cause I'm losing sleep. The tired rooster can't crow at dawn. All he does is yawn and yawn. The animals are weary, very tired indeed. Something must change, that's what we need. We must find a way, this noise must cease. At night, our farm has to sleep in peace.